In this video, I'm going to show you how you can draw the tangent line of a sine graph in Desmos for a given point A. Okay, so for example, let me just illustrate it. So you've got your sine graph, and then for your slider A, no matter where you are, it will work out the gradient of the tangent line and the intercept of the tangent line. So that's our aim, to draw that tangent line. Okay, so hang on, let me pause this, jump back to here. Okay, so to come up with the equation of the tangent line, well, it's a tangent line, it's a straight line. So if it's a straight line, it's going to be of the form y equals mx plus c. So you need to know the gradient and you need to know the intercept. Well, here you've got your graph, y equals sine of x. If you want to know the gradient, then differentiate this. So when you differentiate it, it would be dy by dx equals, when you differentiate this, it will then give you cos of x. Remember, when you differentiate sine, it will give you cos of x. When you differentiate cos of x, it will give you minus sine of x. So we've done the proof for this. So I'm expecting you to know this by now. So when you differentiate this, it will give you cos of x. So now we know the gradient. This is our gradient formula, if you like. It allows you to work out the gradient anywhere on this graph. But we want to know the gradient right at A. We want to know the gradient right here, because the gradient here would be different from the gradient at A. We want to know the gradient at A. So what we do is we put this into the gradient formula, if you want. So the gradient at this point here will be cos A. So the gradient here will be cos A. So we can put this now into the m. So that will then give us this, y equals m cos A, and then you've got your x. But then if you write it like this, it looks messy, because when people read this, it will look like it's one thing here. So but it's really, this is like one block and this is another block. But if you were just to write it as cos ax, people will think it's this. So rather than writing it like this, I'm going to write it as x cos a. So this is one block. So when people look at this, they recognize that this is one block. Okay. Well, anyway, you've got your gradient, you've got your x. Now plus c. We now need to work out the intercept. The intercept is right here, but we don't know where this intercept is. So hang on. So we need to work out c. To work out c, you need one particular point on that line. Well, you know one particular point is right here. So the coordinates here would be a. The coordinates of that point would be a, comma. Well, if you want to know the height, how high up it is, you would put the a in the function in here, and then it will jump to the sine graph. So the coordinates here will be sine of a. So this is your x coordinate, this is your y coordinate. You know one particular point on that line. So now you can put this into the y, you can put this into the x, and then you can work backwards to find c. So let's do this. So when you put this into the y, it will then become sine a, and then when you put this a into the x here, it will then become a cos a plus c. So now we can work out c. So working out c would then give us sine a, and then we're going to take away this, minus a cos a equals our intercept. So this is our intercept. We can now put this back into this formula, and then it will give us the equation of our tangent line. So the equation of our tangent line will be y equals, so looking at this, y equals x cos a plus the intercept. The intercept is this thing here. So the intercept would be sine a minus a cos a. So this is the equation of a tangent line. So let's punch this into Desmos. So jump to Desmos, a new blank page, punch in our graph, sine of x. That will draw our sine graph. Add our particle. Our particle will be a comma sine a, close bracket. Add our slider. And we want our slider to slide from negative 2pi to positive 2pi. So now we can slide a. We can slide a. Hang on. We can slide a. We can slide a back and forth. Okay. So now the equation of our tangent line. This is the equation of our tangent line. So remember, it's x cos a. So jump back to here. So the equation of our tangent line will be x cos a plus what was it? Plus sine a minus a cos a. Sine a minus what? Hang on. Minus a cos a. A cos a. So now that's a tangent line. So yeah, you work out the gradient of the tangent line, and then you work out its intercept. From that, you can draw the equation of the tangent line. Okay, so punch this in for yourself and play around with it. Okay.